Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna take a look at unit 3 first. And great location.
They're looking for it. Oh, I think I might know that guy. It's sold.
Sorry, keep driving.
Yeah, I mean, let's hope so, right? Don't turn off the folks I might need.
Okay.
Morning, Terry.
Yeah.
This is nice. It's newer construction than I was expecting. Wow. Dang. Yeah, nice. And both tenants did great. Great place. Building up 3. Yeah. Regularly maintained. When was this built? Oh, 3, I believe. Oh, 3. Yeah. And they must have done the flooring and the ice boards. A couple of easy things that go a long way. It's just the lights and the countertops or something. You kind of give it that X factor. Bathroom. Bedroom 1.
Okay, bathroom.
Nice size room.
Pretty straightforward. Access to the ceiling. Attic. Let's head into the other bedroom.
Electric wall heaters.
Electric wall heaters. Okay. Okay, that's bedroom number 2. Okay, the garage door. Let's take a look at that. Okay, garage.
Indoor access is really nice.
Cool car. Okay, nice they have a garage. Yeah, I got extra parking. Garages. Okay.
This just needs to be cleaned up.
Yeah.
Electrical meters are on that side and the gas meters are here.
You guys good for that unit? Just so I can let that tenant know.
Are we good to go in there?
Now let's take a look at the other unit on the duplex. Here's the other house right here.
I'll come up on the inspection. This is nice. Hello. Good access either way.
Same heating system in here.
One bath. This one's got one bath.
Yeah. I think the other one had one bath too. Was there a
Two.
bathroom? Was there a bathroom off the
Yeah, there's a
master?
full bathroom
Yeah.
off of that other room.
Okay.
Garage here. Nice to see that they're fully insulated, you know, sheetrock and everything, pretty clean. Oh, it's got a little more storage here. Really nice garage. Okay, great.
Do you know off the top of your head what this one rents versus the other one?
I think this is $17.50,
And the
other one's $18 right now.
Okay.
Gotta say, these sellers have been very slow to raise rents. So
Yeah.
market value is probably a little higher.
The old back porch table. Back porch.
Pretty straightforward bedrooms, nothing fancy.
Yeah, it's exactly the same chair and table. I don't know. Maybe it's the same website.
Okay, 1 bathroom.
This is nice.
And this one. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna head down to the main house. Right here. Take a look.
This sets up so well for another unit right here. You could do access right in between, have another unit right here on the right. Or
Yeah.
if you could subdivide, that could be tough though because of how that's sitting. But you could absolutely have another unit on this strip. And just have the pathway go up the middle.
Yeah.
Or you could put it over on the side and have it go up the right.
Yep.
This is stem wall, this is good.
Is it?
Yeah, this is a stem wall.
That's what I thought.
So they upgraded the foundation. Foundation all the way to here.
Yeah, this is like, this is probably the original. They added this on or something like way back. Pretty typical though for the older properties.
Thank you. All right, tiny bedroom. Water heater's back through a little curtain closet there.
The whole room's a closet.
So, probably say for, in the video for Jonathan. Let me get my comments.
Or we can do a follow-up.
Well, so
for comments.
this is good.
Huh.
The main thing is how flat the floor is. The floor is flat. That's the risk with older foundations. I just met with 3 foundation specialists on my Newport property.
Laundry and access to the back. Not going to photograph it terribly well, but
It's okay.
this is an old gas furnace here too, actually. It's
Yeah. Okay.
It's old, but it's surfacey stuff. Is what it seems like.
cool original paneling.
Yeah, that's really a shame they stopped doing that.
Older gas. Kitchen.
I was hoping that we could see what's under this. If they put it over Douglas fir.
When was this built? This is,
36?
Yeah.
36?
yeah, it could be Doug fir, yeah. Yeah, in minimum, it'll be a diagonal 2x6.
A little facelift,
You know.
and this would be really cute.
Yeah, a little bungalow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Downtown Bend bungalow, walkable to Newport.
Almost make this the kitchen. Little facelift.
I was telling him, so this the cellars are my